homeless Subway opera singer that captured the nation's attention last week is now performing on a big stage. Her angelic voice went viral after an LAPD officer posted a video of her on social media. Well, in a matter of days, her life has completely changed. Listen to that voice. Here's CNN's Nick Watt.
She's been singing in LA Subway for years.
This is the only one thing I got left.
A chance meeting just changed her life.
I see this police officer walking towards me from a distance, and kind of hesitated me because you know how they are. They don't really want you to make any nuisance anywhere, right. And opera is loud.
He loved it, filmed it, the department posted it. More than 1 million people saw it, and a little more than a week later, Emily Zamourka got her first gig.
They're going to pay me, and pay me very well, for me performing. Who am I? Who am I?
On Saturday, she sang in San Pedro's Little Italy, earned $700.
I wish I could give hugs to each and every one.
Zamourka, a trained violinist, came here from Russia in her 20s. Illness, medical bills, the theft of her beloved violin all led to a life on the streets. A homeless charity has now reached out to help, and $60,000 and counting donated on GoFundMe. She just met, hugged and thanked that LAPD officer who filmed her.
I can't believe this is happening.
And a Grammy-winning producer now wants to work with her.
The biggest ever, what's the opposite word for tragedy? I wanted to bring that word correctly.
We have some people saying, this story is too good to be true. You look too clean.
This is for real, and just because you're homeless, you don't have to go around stinky and dirty. I would just put it this way. It's my dignity.
What do you want? I mean, you want somewhere to live?
Yes, I do, and I do. I wish that I could just have this kind of place that it will be for a long time on my own.
That voice, all she had left, might now make that wish come true. Nick Watt, CNN, Los Angeles.
You should ride the subway more. You never know what you'll hear, right?
Look,
or discover.
Beata, during that whole piece, Beata just keeps on saying that voice. That voice.
It's amazing.
That voice. It really is amazing.
It's amazing. We're really happy.